Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today we are back with another June's Journey tutorial and we are learning how to delete June's Journey account using your smartphone or tablets. First of all, launch open June's Journey application on your device and make sure that you are logged into the account you want to delete. From the main screen, tap the gear icon at the top right corner and then from the settings menu, click on Social. Under Social, you'll see Delete Account button in red. To delete your account, tap on it and follow through the instructions. Once you proceed to delete your account will be disabled and deleted in 14 days. The action is irreversible and it will result in your account and data being permanently erased. If you're sure you'd like to delete your account, click on Request Deletion and follow through the prompts. You may be asked to enter your username, registered email or account ID, fill in the details, and you'll be able to submit the deletion request. That is how you can easily delete June's Journey account using your smartphone or tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.